Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Amazon Seller Central address. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central. Right here is sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started. So this is the main page, and now once you open it up, first things first, what we want to do is log in. In the upper right corner, you have the sign up option. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is to sign up for one, as you need an Amazon account. But if you already have an account, just log into the account that you want to change the address for. So by logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page and your dashboard that looks something like this, from where you can go ahead and access everything such as your catalog, inventory, store settings, and so on. And now we can get started changing our address. So how easy it is? Well, all we have to do is just follow the steps right here. As you can see on the official website of Seller Central, we have the steps on how to change our business address. So to change your address, what we want to do is go to Seller Central and go to the settings and the dashboard that we have just showed you. So basically, you have your settings options right here in your dashboard that you want to open up. After that, you can open up your account info, and then in the business information section, you can select the business address, from where you can get started selecting add a new address, and then enter in your new address information, click submit. So all of that is doable right here from the dashboard, as I have just showed you how to open it up. Go into the settings tab, open up your info, and get started with adding a new address that you want to use with your Amazon seller, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.